I got boxes and boxes of this crap. This one's never been opened though. I'm about to run out of filament in the middle of the print. This came with all this stuff. New packaging. New paper spool. Old plastic spools. So, based on that, that lets us know that the plastic ones are older. There's actually a zipper on this. If I can get it to open correctly. It's a Ziploc bag, basically. Jesus Christ. I probably should have just took some frickin' scissors. Anyway, these here they're resealable. I hope it prints better than the other crap I've been dealing with. I'm hoping I can get this thing out of here before I run out of filament in this printer here, but I wanted to make a quick video. Oh, come on. Jesus Christ. So hopefully it's the same color white as the stuff I'm using, which is like really white. Awesome. It is. Okay, so got the extra bag. So this is slightly newer. We'll see how it works.